Here's how to make your very own waffle sock puppet. You'll need a brown sock, some pink and brown card, some brown tissue paper, a piece of red ribbon, a heart sticker, 3 black pom-poms, a glue stick, a pen, and some scissors. First, take the brown card and loosely draw around your fingers, like this. Now these are your ears, so you'll need 2 of these. Ask your grown-up to help you cut these out for you because remember, scissors are sharp. Next, you need to tear up some balls of brown tissue paper, just like this, and cover your waffle ears by sticking these on. But leave an empty area at the base of the ears. Then fold this area over to make a flap. This is the part that will stick to your sock a little bit later. Now take your pink card and draw around your first finger to make the tongue. And then ask your grown-up to help cut this out for you. To make your waffle collar, take a piece of red ribbon and glue the ends together like this. And then you can stick your heart sticker on. Then take your brown sock and tuck the end in, just like this, to make the mouth. Now lay it flat on the table and it's time to put it all together. This is the exciting bit. And now, you guessed it, it's time to play with waffle. You can find more brilliant makes right here on the CBeebies YouTube channel.